Donald Trump got some pretty bad news this week, although it may not seem like bad news on the surface. But the bad news came out Monday when the judge that has been overseeing the Fulton County, Georgia special grand jury's investigation into Trump's election interference in the state, the judge sided with Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis and said, "We will not be releasing the full unredacted special grand jury report about all the things they found in the course of their investigation." Now, again, you would immediately think that, okay, they're not going to release it to the public. That's good for Trump. We're not going to know about all the horrible things that he did. So why are you saying it's a bad thing? Well, for the very reason that Fani Willis did not want it released to the public in the first place. Because Willis has said, and of course Judge McBurney agreed with her, that if we release this, this is going to hinder our prosecutions. It might violate the due process of these individuals. It could taint juries. We don't want any of this getting out to the public, in the event we're going to bring charges against a bunch of people. And by not releasing it, it's a very good indication that they're going to bring charges against a lot of people. But before they can do that, let's not forget that this was a special grand jury, not a regular grand jury. The special grand jury was not given the authority to issue criminal indictments. So what Willis has to do now, and she's doing this basically, she has to take the evidence compiled by that first grand jury and present it to a new grand jury, a regular grand jury. That grand jury will then make the decision whether or not to indict the individuals with the evidence that Willis has compiled. So we're only halfway there. I think that's the important thing, right? This investigation, as everybody knows, officially wrapped up weeks ago. It is now officially done, sealed. Special grand jurors, they went home. Thank you for your service. But now we kind of have to do it all over again. Not the investigation process, which is the longest part, but now basically Willis has to present her case as if she were already prosecuting them to a new grand jury. So do not expect indictments to come quickly. Do not expect them this week. Do not expect them probably this month. These things take time. But this indication from the judge saying, I'm not going to release it with the names. It will, by the way, it will be released in a shortened and redacted form on February 16th of this week. So get ready for that. Again, it'll all be redacted. You're not going to know who's who and who's what. But indictments are coming. It may not be against Trump. It may just be a bunch of his allies. Maybe it will be Trump. We will not know until this is over. And folks, again, we got a long way to go until this is over. But right now, everything is going in the direction that Trump did not want it to be going in.
This is Hattie. Hattie wants to know why you have not subscribed to our channel. You obviously like our videos, so do us a favor and subscribe.